few months ago, I found Billy in this condition. At first, I didn't know what was happening, but later, her diagnosis was that she had a stroke. Half of her body was paralyzed. She was wobbly and could barely eat or drink anything. The only thing that helped her and managed to save her is vitamins. Especially vitamin B, which is known to help in such cases with birds. And when I started to think that she finally recovered, I found her again, at the bottom of the cage. This time it's different. Her body isn't paralyzed. Only her left foot seemed like it's not working anymore. She can't move it and doesn't react in any way when I touch it. I moved her into a recovery cage, hoping that a few days on vitamins could save her again. Like last time, Neo is watching out for her for the entire time, and every chance he gets, he comes and chirps for her and wants to stay with her. I don't know if what happened to her leg is permanent or could be healed. For the meantime, I'm continuing to feed her and give her medicine, and hoping for the best.